Hello students, welcome to BA149, Technology for Interpreters and Translators, Module 6. We are continuing with the CAT tools. In Swordfish, we are going to add a term base, a TB, which is a database of individual terms that a translator adds to their glossaries with which you manually add items. And we're going to add a translation memory, TM, which is a database of approved translation segments or sentences. A CAT tool adds translations after manually approving. So this was a question from a couple of you in the previous assignment. They said something along the lines of, this is not doing anything, it's not translating. The CAT tool is computer-assisted translation. It doesn't do the translation for you. You have to do the translation as a human being. You approve it, and then that gets saved into the system where you can reuse it again and again, adapt it as you need it, etc. So this is not doing the translation for you. This is assisting you. It's computer-assisted translation tools. Here you're going to open the project. You're going to give it a name. If you're working with a specific project, you can give it that name. What is the subject you're working on? Then the client you're working for. Then you're going to add a glossary. In this case, we have a sample glossary of TB. You fill out the same information, and then you translate the project. This is the previous assignment that we did. Here in the side panel, you can see what is going on. You can see which memory you are using, the glossary that you are using, and the terms that are in there or will be in there in our case. In the navigation and status bar here at the bottom, you can see where you are, the page, how many rows per page. Right now you have 8 segments, 42 translated, and right now are 0% confirmed. And you'll see what that looks like when they are confirmed. Here you add terms to the glossary. So if you want to start building the glossary, you click on that translation. Now here's in Spanish, of course, but you adapt that to your language. Then you're going to open that translation, English, in Spanish. The translation is traducción. And then you add the term, and then when you want to retrieve them, you go to Tasks, Get Glossary Terms, and you can see the terms right there. As you're adding them, they will be filling up right there. So you can see how you translated something before. Now, of course, this is a simple explanation. Translation is traducción, but as you go through larger documents, you'll see how this will become helpful because you can see how you translated something in the past. And here you can see that you get terms for all the segments. You click yes, you added 3 segments, and you see that the terms are added right there. You select that, you insert the term, and now it's inserted. As you go through, you'll see that there are some space errors. And then as you finish that, you download the project, you exported the translation, and asks you if you want to open the translated file, and you get something like that. Now you can go back and edit the source text by going to Edit, Edit Source Text. And as you are translating, you go through, translate the text, and then you click there to confirm and go to the next unconfirmed. So these are unconfirmed. And then once you confirm and go to the next unconfirmed, it'll jump to the next segment. So here you see that once that was clicked, this one is confirmed, and you jump to the next unconfirmed. And you go through line by line, segment by segment in this case. Confirm and go to the next unconfirmed, and so on and so forth. Here you're going to translate the file. So this is the one you're doing this week. Swordfish, you translate that, confirm, go to the next segment, and here you have the tags. So when you want to mark something with tags, you have tag 1 and tag 2. You want to keep the same tags over here. Well, for instance, if you want this bolded, you have tag 1, start bold, tag 2, end bold. So you start insert tag 1, insert tag 2 right there. So las herramientas TAO, CAD Tools, herramientas de traducción asistida por ordenador, which is the word used for computers in Spain. And once you have that, this is tagged accordingly. And then you continue working with that. You have the tags right there to check the inline tags. After you finish, there are no tag errors, so you continue. You have the check initial or trailing spaces, make sure that is correct. There are no space errors, then you are finished. quality assurance, check inline tags, check initial training spaces. That's where you check that. And then after that, you're done, you export it, and you're done with that. If you have any questions about this, there are some videos that I showed you. Check those out. And if you can't find the answer, let me know. Have a great week.